Is your phone running slow, lagging, or just not as smooth as it used to be? Let's fix it in just 1 minute. First, open your device settings. Then scroll down and find Device Care. Then tap on Device Care. My phone has 12 GB RAM, but almost 7 GB is already used. That's why it feels slow. Apps like CapCut, Chrome, and Messenger use a lot of memory, even when you're not using them. Tap on Fix Now button. Here's the trick: put unused apps into deep sleep. It stops them from running in the background and saves memory. And just hit Fix Now to free up RAM instantly. Simple, right? Do this once a week to keep your phone running like new. Cut to smoother phone usage or game app running faster.